Burhanuddin, Bangladesh University, Department CSC, 50 batch, evening. Subject name peripherals and interfacing. Student ID 201811050032. Assignment topic PHP and database related. Using HTML, CSS, PHP and MySQL database. First question, design a form, include the info, name, ID, designation, date of birth, and insert data into database thought this form. Database name will be user info and table will be user record, and you have to create database and table using MySQL query, not manually. First, form design, localhost one form. Database form design, PHP form design, name, ID, designation, date of birth, name MD Burhanuddin, ID 201811050032, designation student STUDENT student, date of birth 12/11/1994. Submit data by insert data successfully, new recorded to database. Database table, localhost PHP my admin, database name user info, database table, data inserted successfully, structure, name, student ID, designation, date of birth. Second question, SQL query from database. There are two tables, student ID, name, get ID, subject, marks. Show the average mark of each student. There was an input table like there was an output table like output table 5 marks. Find the name of all students who have got marks 59. Form design, student get form design, insert mark MD Burhanuddin, subject ENG LISS English 90. Data insert successful, average mark 79. Data delete successful, edit 59. ABC name, subject BNG LA Pala, data edit update. database table student info, db name student info, database table student data inserted successful, database table name, id, name, grade, course name বা subject name. Third question, give two table employee and department. Find employee info from employee who had joined between date 21 January 2013 and 31 January 2018. Find employee ID, name, average salary, who are in the sales department and who them in the order. First, form design, localhost, employee. Form design, employee details, add new employee, name, Burhanuddin, join date, thirty 03 2013, salary 60. MD BORSN WAIN. Data insert successful, ID, name, salary, join date, view record, updated, delete. Name Burhanuddin 1203 2021, salary, insert successful. Database table, employee video, table name, table name, employee, data insert successfully, structure, ID, name, salary, joining date. Fourth question, SQL query, employee 1, employee 2, ID, name, salary, joining date. Form design, localhost, employee 4, data inserted, ABC, joining date 12/2018, insert successfully, delete, database table, database table updated and inserted successfully data. PHP coding var www html. First question, form design, database connection, PHP coding, HTML coding, CSS coding. Student get from index, concept, server, database connection, delete, insert, read, update, CSS, employee, database connection, create, delete, read, update, PHP coding.